Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Enhance your data organization and management in 2023 by connecting Zapier to Airtable. This tutorial will talk you or take you through the integration process of Zapier to Airtable, enabling you to automate data related tasks. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing to do, which is obviously going to your browser and then searching for Zapier. Make sure to click on the first link that will appear, which is zapier.com, and connect into it. Now we have connected into our Zapier account and we have it launched. The next thing to do is to actually add a table. So to add it, you will find this prompt here. Just ignore it for now and go to the side menu and click on apps. Just like that, we are on the app section. In here, guys, all you need to do is search for your desired app. For example, in our video, we need Airtable. So simply just click on Air, and so many apps will be appear to you. And choose here simply the Airtable app. Now, this window will open. Just wait for it to load, and they will take you to your Airtable account. So here we are on the sign in page. Simply just click on sign in using your Google account, or if you have an email and password, just use them. So I'm going to use my Google account. There we go. As you can see, the next thing to do is to give it the access. So now we have to grant the access simply by adding a database here. So let's add a database and then grant the access. And as you can see, it has been added successfully. Now, the next thing to do is to make sure that the connection has been made correctly. By going to these 3 points on the connection section, click on it and test the connection. As you can see, the test has been done successfully once more. And now we have integrated both Zapier to Airtable without any problems. So, like that, we are done with the whole tutorial. It is very easy, guys. Now, what can we actually do with these two? Well, you can do a lot of things, guys. For example, you can connect Airtable with other applications using Zapier. As an example, go to create a Zap by going to this left side menu and click on it. The next thing, you will face a prompt. A prompt is basically a text that you have to write describing what you want to happen basically by connecting Zapier. So for example, I want Airtable to be connected to my Gmail. So let me just wait for it until it loads. And basically what I'm going to write in that page is once I connect or I do something on my Airtable account, you send an email on my Gmail account. So let me just back after the page loads, or here it is. So here, for example, when something happens on Airtable, send me an email in my Gmail account. Just like that, what we need to do next is click on generate. Wait for it, and they will give us a task or a test task that it will think of it as an AI, and we can try it. So here we will get email notifications for new Airtable records. Let's click on try it, and now we have to make sure that we log in into these triggers. So click here, choose your account that you have logged in into at the beginning as I showed you. So this is my account, as you can see. Choose this one and it will be done correctly. Now we have to simply click on continue, and here you have to make the trigger. So let's choose anything that we have. At the moment I have new accounts, so I don't really have any triggers, but for you guys, you really have to create new triggers, you have to create new things. So basically you have to actually have stuff in your Airtable accounts before you get to this step. So let me just show you real quick Airtable, and here I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to my account and try to create new thing. So sign in, as you may see here, and then I will be taken to my account or my dashboard in another way. So in dashboard, I will be able to find bases or create bases, create tables, and create many stuff. These values are required in this page. So since my account is recently created and I don't really have anything there, I'm not going to have anything. So let's create starting by a base, continue and confirm. So this is my workspace. Let me just wait, get started. And here this is the table number one. This is the data. So we have a grid now. We have everything. Let me just refresh the page. Normally refresh fields. And now let me just clear this. Here, normally enable to load choices. We are having trouble loading. Table database is required. So the base is required at the moment. Let me just refresh the page so I can find the base. It can take some time since my account just has been created. I can just create a new workspace, create a base here, and this is like a new base. All right, this is perfect. So now, normally, yep, here it is. So now I can choose this table, number one. Let it just load for me, and then click on continue. Here, they will find the recent record, this trigger, and it has been done successfully. Click on continue, and now choose your account on Gmail, connect it, continue, and there you go. So now here, choose your email address as the recipient's address. So just write here your address email. Here, write the text that you want to be there as your CC, and then simply click on continue or skip test, and then click on publish. Just like that, you have successfully created a Zap, which is by integrating Airtable to Zapier and from Zapier to Gmail as your third-party app. And just like that, now automations can be very easy. Make sure, guys, that it is turned on through here and it is published, not drafts. And just like that, you are ready to go. So as you can see, guys, it is very straightforward. It is not that hard. It is very easy. Make sure that your apps are correctly being done. If you had any problem, make sure, guys, that you have the unlimited zaps function and you have unlimited tasks. If your task has arrived to 1000 on 1000 before your trial ends, you will not be able to have more tasks. So no automation will be created after you reach the maximum amount of tasks in your account. Unless, of course, you can create a premium account which will allow you to have more tasks and unlimited zaps. Basically, you can have other features as well, depending on what you want exactly to have. So for example, you don't want this app to be running and you want more tasks on a specific zap. Simply make sure to choose that zap and turn it on alone, and this is pretty much it. So guys, thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.